Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to crop video and image layers in FlexClip. On the editing page, start by adding a video or image layer. At the top of the canvas, you'll see the crop option. On the left panel, you can quickly select from preset aspect ratios. For more creative shapes, check the mask feature and click See All. Scroll through the options, pick a mask you like, and apply it. Then, drag the layer to highlight the exact part of the scene you want to show. Need to adjust later? Just click Crop again or double-click the layer to reopen the crop window. From there, you can try different masks or click Reset to return to the original shape. You'll also find frames and masks under Elements. Simply drag a frame or shape onto your layer to crop it instantly. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.